Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos on AI tools, life hacks and more. Today I am going to show you how you can easily remove watermarks from videos for free. This is a helpful skill if you want to use videos from other sources in your own videos, or if you want to remove a watermark from a video that you have created yourself. So this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video complete till end, and let's move towards the video. So here we are. First search for 123 apps and just enter this website, and now you can see there are a lot of video tools. You can check them all. You can use it for edit your video, and there are some audio tools, some PDF and converter tools, but we need to remove logo from video. So here is erase logo, image, watermark or date. Just click on open file and select the video, and as you can see at the bottom there is a watermark. Just need to select it and you can preview it for 5 seconds or just download it. Now I will do same thing for another video. Let's select this one. Let me first adjust it, and you can see that the top left there is a logo. I just select this logo. Make sure to select the entire section and then just preview it, then download it. So just I will download this video, and I can do for one more. Here's the third one video. There are a lot of options, like you can trim it, crop it, rotate, you can flip it, you can change resolution, volume and speed, loop, and you can check them all. So just we need to rotate it first, and I will rotate this, and now you can see this is the watermark. Just select here and select the entire section of watermark and adjust it, and then you can easily download it. So I am selecting this and I will save this video, and here are the results.